Hello there, you're welcome to St. Henry's class, a channel where we make learning so easy and absorbable. If this is your first time of watching, consider liking this video, share it to your friends, and subscribe, comment, and also recommend the channel to your colleagues. So this is Best Brain Aquaba Mock, and this is RME. So let's look at the question and the answers. So this is for anyone preparing to write BECE, anyone who is also writing home-based mock, or trying to assess himself or herself as far as BECE is concerned, then this video will be very helpful. Kindly watch through to the end of this video so you don't miss any important aspect of it. So number one, as adolescents grow, they face many pressures and choices that can affect their future. Teachers and religious leaders often remind young people that living a chaste life brings personal and social benefits. A. Identify 4 ways by which adolescents can practice chastity. So 1. They should avoid the bad company which may lead to bad behavior. They should read the Holy Scriptures. They should avoid watching and reading pornographic materials. They should listen to the advice of parents and teachers. And they should also avoid immoral acts like homosexualism and masturbation. So the marks there requires you to write something. So please don't just write points, but try to expand it a bit. So B says highlights 4 reasons why living a chaste life is important in a society. So 1, it is a religious command. 2, it makes one socially accepted and respected. 3, it helps to prevent unwanted pregnancies and early parenthood. It is also a way of avoiding the contraction of STI, sexually transmitted infections. 1C, give 4 disadvantages of not being chaste. So 1, there is a risk of contracting sexually transmitted infection, just like the negative aspect of the importance of the reasons. 2, there is occurrence of unplanned or teenage pregnancy. There is broken families and relationship. So anytime a child decide not to live a chaste life, he or she may break away from the family, or he or she may be rejected by the family, which is a way of isolation or breaking away from family or relationship, and also damage to reputation and respect. Your respect or reputation that people have for you would be limited. Number 2, during a religious and moral lesson, students learn about Prophet Muhammad and how his life and teachings continue to guide Muslims in their daily lives. A, we should describe the mission of Prophet Muhammad. So the mission of Prophet Muhammad was to spread the message of Allah or of Islam. And he was sent by Allah to call people away from idol worship and only worship Allah alone. They should also deliver the Qurans and Allah's final revelations to Muslims, promote peace, justice, and moral uprightness, and to guide humanity on how to live a righteous and a disciplined life. Outline 4 moral teachings of Prophet Muhammad. So he taught about honesty and truthfulness. He taught about kindness and compassion. He taught about justice and fairness. He also taught about forgiveness and having patience in all that we do. C, state 4 benefits Muslims derive from applying the moral teachings. So 1, it creates a peaceful and harmonious living in their family and society. It brings unto them good reputation and respect. It creates a strong community bond, and also you gain reward from Allah in the spiritual form, that is life and blessings. Number 3, Prophet Moses is an important figure in the Bible who was chosen by God to lead the Israelites and deliver his message. A, we are to describe the call and mission of Prophet Moses as recorded in the Bible. So Moses was also called by God while he was standing at Mount Horeb through the burning bush. So you can refer to Exodus chapter 3. And God revealed himself and gave him these main instructions. 1, to lead the Israelites out of Egypt or out of slavery, to confront Pharaoh and demand the release of God's people, to deliver God's message and laws to the Israelites, and also to lead them to the promised land, which is Canaan. B. State 3 achievements of Moses. So Moses, one achievement was that he led the Israelites out of Egypt. He received the 10 Commandments on Mount Sinai. He also led the Israelites through the Red Sea by God's power. C. What 3 moral lessons can you learn from the life of Moses? So 1. Obedience to God. He obeyed God despite all the fears that he had. 2. He had faith and trust in him. And 3. Humility and leadership. He served the people of Israel with humility and also demonstrated good leadership skills through God's guidance. Question number 4. Money plays an important role in everyday life, but the way it is used can bring either benefit or problems. Religious teachings guide people on how to use money wisely. State 4 reasons why money is very important in our daily lives. So 1, money is used to meet our basic needs. It helps us to have access to education. Money helps to improve the standard of living of people, and money also helps to support family and other people who are in need. B. Mention 4 appropriate ways of using money. So 1, you should buy basic necessities. 2, you should avoid impulse buying. So impulse buying is when you buy things you don't need. You just buy them and put them there. You're just happy having them around you. Saving for our future needs and also helping others through donations, gifts, or supporting the needy. So C says we should give 3 bad ways of using money according to the 3 main religions. So 1, greed. So when we keep all money for ourselves and we don't help others. 2, bribery. We use money to cheat so we can have our way. 3, gambling. So we waste our money on games of chances, on bets. Using money for evil. Some people spend money just to kill people, just to harm people, just to create irrational fear in people. All these are reasons or ways that money can be used badly according to the 3 main religions. So this brings us to the end of the question and answer session, best brain exams for BECE candidates or BECE students. If this is your first time of watching our video, please like, share and subscribe. And if this video was helpful to you, don't just pass away. Comment, give a thumbs up, like, share, comment. This is your humble tutor, St. Henry, and I am delighted to take you through this session. Thank you.